Hello everyone, today I'm here to share with you how I added a second M.2 SSD with heatsink to the Cooler Master NR200P Max case. If you find this helpful, please like my video. My computer case is a Cooler Master NR200P Max with an ASUS ROG STRIX B660i gaming Wi-Fi motherboard. After using the computer for a while, I realized the hard drive space was insufficient and wanted to add an M.2 SSD. However, since the second hard drive slot is located on the back of the motherboard, to tackle this issue, I spent a considerable amount of time searching online, trying to find a suitable solution, but I couldn't find a satisfactory answer. In the end, I decided to take a risk and went ahead to purchase the Samsung 990 Pro with heatsink to TB M.2 SSD for installation, to later confirm if it would perfectly fit. I carefully inserted it into the SSD slot on the back of the motherboard. Surprisingly, even though the SSD came with a heatsink, it perfectly fit into the space within the case after installation and did not interfere with the side panel's installation. To assist others who may face a similar challenge, I made a point to record a video detailing the entire installation process, hoping to provide some reference and inspiration for everyone. If you feel this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.